to Cooking with Bae. I'm your host, Lindsay, also known as Animal Based Bae, and I have also another chef with me, Kasia. We are coming to you from Greece. We're in Greece, so this is another Greek dish, and so this is the second edition from my Greek adventures, and so I'm here, and we're gonna make tzatziki or tzatziki?
Tzatziki, but with Polish infusion.
But with a Polish infusion now, so it's a very easy dish, and so it's another easy dish for you. We'll also do it with lamb skewers, so we're going to show you a little bit how to do that. It's very quick and simple to make. So let's dive in first to the ingredients that you will need. So if you're going to pair it with lamb skewers, get yourself some lamb skewers, have the butcher put it on a skewer like so. Very simple. So get as much as you want to serve. Lamb skewers, put it on a stick, okay? Then you'll need some yogurt. And so this is about 2 cups. Well, we'll need probably about 2 cups of yogurt for your recipe, correct? Okay. Greek yogurt, right? That's always a plus. And then salt, we'll need some salt.
Yes.
Do you know about how much?
I don't have a spoon. We will put to the cucumber so we can make a nice juice. But afterwards, we stay away, add to our Greek yogurt.
We'll add it to the yogurt. You also want cucumber.
Okay, if you are a lover of cucumber, you can add 1 or 2.
Okay.
I'm going
How much do you use?
Let's make more than half.
Okay, so a little bit more, maybe 3/4 of this big cucumber.
We'll try if you like it.
Okay. So you'll need that and cucumber. You'll also need a lemon.
Oh, yes.
Exactly.
From our garden?
Yep, from the garden. This is all coming like right here from the garden. So this is hyper super local. And then you'll also need, of course, PJ Kabos olive oil. So this is where we get the PJ Kabos from. This is our producer. Yes, her and her husband run a fabulous, high quality premium olive oil company called PJ Kabos, and it's literally the only olive oil I have out there because did you know that olive oil is one of the top 3 counterfeited products on the market? So know your producer, and that's why I'm here, is to just kind of see this whole process. This is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna start diving into the prep work. So we're gonna So you want to peel your cucumber, which we did earlier in preparation for this. Okay. Then we chop off the ends, correct?
Yes.
Do you shred? No, you shred. I'll give it to you to shred. Okay.
Okay. So
now you shred the cucumber.
We can have a lot of fun. If you have any chili blend, you can do that. You need to be careful with the fingers.
I'm going to shred this one too because I am going to make it side by side with Kasia because I don't want garlic in mine, but I love that we're showing that you can add garlic too, because if you do like garlic, go ahead. Like, that's your choice.
Okay, so what I'm doing?
Yes.
I'm adding half of little spoon of sugar, of salt.
Of salt? Okay, half a spoon of salt. So half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, no, that's okay. Let's see the spoon, let's see the salt. Yes. Half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, mix together.
Mix it together.
Yes. Okay, we can leave on the side for 2 minutes so the cucumber.
Oh, so I'm gonna add, and then we'll add another half teaspoon of salt.
Oh, maybe a little too much.
Okay.
We can always add some extra salt.
That's right. Always have extra salt on hand. Okay, so you want it to set aside for a couple of minutes so that it can get juicy. So we have the juice, now we're gonna strain it.
I'll make it very, because we are on the countryside, so we'll do the easy way.
Yeah, we don't have all of the tools in the kitchen right now, but we're working with what we have.
You can use towel and squeeze nicely.
Okay.
But I will do the easy way.
Oh, that's a neat trick. So we have a little strainer here.
Yes, you don't need to make that with your fingers.
Okay. She's doing all the hard work. Squeeze as much of the liquid out so that it doesn't turn into water your yogurt, right? So
with the towel is very easy because you can squeeze really nicely.
Okay, so now she's scooping in the 2 cups of yogurt, the shredded one.
For you.
So now do I have to do this? You're like, now you do the hard work. Okay, so
For you.
I'm gonna take this. Okay. Squeeze all this out. It's gonna make me work for it.
Let's work hard.
Yeah, I know. This is how we get these done, is by repetition. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And again, this is just to make the dish a little less liquidy. And
If you do at home, you can squeeze by your hand.
yeah. You could use all the tools that you have already without having to purchase any.
Okay.
So I'm gonna scoop it in my yogurt. Yeah. The Polish version, they use a little less garlic for theirs. So Greek is 3 cloves, right?
Yes.
Okay. Polish is 1 clove.
Yes.
Okay.
And after you can speak with your colleague.
Yeah. And animal based for me is 0 cloves, so you don't have to add it. So choose whatever level you want to.
If you like it, dill.
Okay, dill.
And
Dill is great to add.
not everybody does.
So this is the Greeks add the dill as well.
Not everyone.
Okay.
Not everyone. Some, I know some people what they add carrot. I like what dill or seafood also.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put a little.
It smells super fresh. It's amazing. How much? That's probably about a teaspoon of dill.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Drop it in
Also
there.
depends if you like.
Oh, now we got the lemon.
Cut.
Okay. I know that we're working with
Sorry.
magic stuff here.
Sorry for
The knives and everything.
Sorry for that.
That's great. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
We're in the village.
1.5 spoon.
1.5 spoons of this? Okay. I'm gonna kind of eyeball it. Big spoon.
Yes.
1.5
You can use
tablespoons. Okay, so now we mix it.
We mix it, and
Okay.
of course, at the end we add
PJ Kabos olive oil. Okay, that's
Okay.
that.
And the last one is the olive oil. Of course, we can try
Okay.
if we need to add some extra
Salt, of course, because I
some
probably
pepper.
will. Yep. So which one?
I would suggest this.
Okay. So we are going to use the medium of the PJ Kabos line. So that's amazing. You did this
Okay.
one, I'll do that one.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. We put around three spoons.
So big spoons. So 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm just gonna eyeball it
This
again.
is the best olive oil, so you can add more.
That's about 3 tablespoons. Yeah. There we go. And I am going to just add a little bit.
Yes. Add because we used to.
It's just been a refreshing, like different taste, especially the animal based. Sometimes it can be a very simple and restrictive diet to the palate, and so it's really nice to find quality olive oil that I feel very comfortable including in my diet. So it's super, it's awesome.
We leave this in the fridge for 2 hours.
Oh,
So-
2 hours, okay.
So all this yogurt smells so nice of the garlic.
Yeah, it does. It smells
All
great.
the
And then
nutrition.
also, so then while we're gonna get ready to put this in the fridge, and what I'm going to do next is salt the meat skewers, because pick your protein. Again, I did lamb skewers, and you can absolutely make this very simple. Make the tzatziki really the main dish or just the main flavor of this dish, and use any style protein. You can use chicken, lambs, beefs, cow. I'm using local lamb because I'm in Greece and I like to source locally, so including this olive oil right here, the groves right here. So we're gonna put the tzatziki in the fridge, and then we will come back. Okay, so while we're putting the tzatziki in the fridge, I'm going to take these lamb skewers and we're gonna put them in the oven. We're gonna put these in the oven because the grill is out of commission right now. So you can, you can work it however you want. Oh, how does he want to go about this? Ah, okay, he's got a special way. The sticks go on the outside. Ah, bravo. I know what that means. So you want to put them on 375. We'll get back to you when they are ready. Okay, the lamb skewers at 375 in the oven are ready. They took probably about 20 to 30 minutes actually. This oven heated them pretty well and actually made like a really cool broil. So I'm gonna go grab them. It's like that really good.
That looks delicious.
Fat and stuff is amazing. All right, here it is. I'm gonna show you. It's amazing skewers. Okay, lamb skewers coming up, and then we're gonna top it with tzatziki, and then of course drizzle it with some amazing olive oil. So that's it. We created our tzatziki dishes, one with a little bit of a Polish flair to it. So we did go through some of the Greek methods and how they use it, but then also the Polish version and then my version as well too for those English lovers out there. But this is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tzatziki on these lamb skewers, but first, I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna say we need a little bit more olive oil.
Oh yes, for sure.
And that's right. So James here from PJ Kabos, your producer of PJ, of premium high quality olive oil. Dang, that's right, more olive oil. That's exciting. All right, we're gonna go serve our guests now. Oh, so we are going to enjoy our meal right now, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you so much for joining us here. What do we say?
Καλή όρεξη.
Καλή όρεξη. Come on in. Καλή όρεξη.